Hello everybody. Today we're going to practice with our Sketches School, and we're going to work on sketching lines and patterns. So what I want you to do is I want you to open up your Sketches School app, or Sketches Pro as it may be called. And I want you to think about different lines in this world and what different lines can all express. Lines are capable of so much different emotion. For instance, I'm going to use green here. Horizontal lines, lines that go like this. Just straight little lines like that. Those are they're calming. Horizontal lines express calm and rest. Okay? Express calm. They make you feel okay. Vertical lines are active and show strength. So if there's a point you're really trying to get across, a vertical line might be the way to do it. Ooh, that's fun. So vertical lines are active and show strength. Oh, sorry, I was trying to zoom out. Are active and show strength. Okay. Now, what about curved and squiggly lines? They are graceful and express change. So if you have some lines that are like or maybe you have some that are like this in the same drawing. Curved lines, like I said, curved lines are graceful and express change. Curved lines are graceful. So when you think of graceful, you think of ballerinas. Graceful and express change. Right. Dotted lines can express ideas that aren't concrete. Kind of like a thought. Oops. So for instance, if I have, let me go Zen mode there. If I've got, or maybe I've got dots. And so dotted lines can express, I don't want to write with that. So dotted lines can express ideas that, or the idea that something isn't concrete. And if something's not concrete, it means it's kind of something you have to think about. And diagonal lines express, where did my colors go? Oops, sorry guys, I lost them. Diagonal lines express action and motion. So if I go down here, I go diagonal lines convey action and emotion, or convey action and motion, not emotion. Okay, so we've got all these different line types we're looking at here, guys. And I want you to first practice sketching all these line types, kind of like I just did. Maybe start a new page and think about diagonal lines. Ooh. Think about dots or dashed lines. Think about what emotion it creates. And now, I want you to think about patterns. And how patterns are kind of just, they're made up of a variety of lines that repeat, right? Think of a checkerboard or, so a design on a shirt that you like. A lot of times those things are patterns. And I want you to draw, I just want you to make 3 patterns. So whether that's, and then come up with another pattern type. Maybe you like something like this. There's a whole bunch of different options for you to create with your patterns. And then I want you to choose I want you to sketch a pattern. Fill a sketch with a pattern. So come over to this ABC tool here. It's got an A on it now. And I want you to pick a shape. The shapes are over here. And I'm going to choose a shape color like that. And I'm going to choose that one. And I want to make it bigger. And pinch outward to make it bigger. And center it, and then tap the check mark down here. And then I'm going to fill it with some patterns. And if you press that same thing, you can see, look at these patterns it has here. Oops. So think of the patterns you want to fill up your shape with. Think of how you want your shape to look. Me, I'm getting fancy with mine. Ooh. Guys, I want you to start getting inspired. I want you to think about your creative side. And what does that mean? What does it mean to you to be creative? What does it mean to draw these lines? Think about how they made you feel. And think about what I said with the different line types. Okay? So you're going to be submitting your sketch or your shape with patterns inside of it. You're going to be submitting your practicing of line expression. And you're going to be thinking about pattern, okay?